Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the trading platform at Binomo broker. Previously we registered with this broker and made deposits. Now on the main page of our user cabinet, click the plus to add categories to your watch list. And now we are on the main page of our user cabinet. Click the plus in the upper left to add categories to your watch list. Change the currency pair. Switch between main or demo accounts. Deposit and withdrawal options are here. Find key tools for options trades. Change pair, switch accounts, access funds, use tools, set trade details, see profit. Change the currency pair to analyze. At the top right, switch between main and demo accounts. Find key tools for options trades. Select capital to invest. Specify trade expiration time with options. Potential profit from correct prediction is shown. Correct prediction earns 80% profit. Wrong prediction loses investment. You select the amount of capital you want to invest in this trade. In the next part, you specify the expiration time of your trade, where there are several different options available. Here, the potential profit from a correct prediction is displayed to you. For example, if you make a correct prediction on this currency pair, you could earn an 80% profit, and if your prediction is wrong, your entire investment will be lost. In the next section, you will see the majority opinion bar, which shows that currently 63% of traders believe the price will go lower. And if your prediction is wrong, your entire investment will be lost. See the majority opinion bar. 63% of traders think the price will drop. Tools for predicting price changes are here. Click to view the economic. And in this section, there are tools for predicting higher and lower prices. By clicking on this section, you can view your economic calendar. Now, in the bottom left corner, as you can see, when we hover over any of the candles, the open, high, low, and close prices are displayed to us. By clicking on this option, we can change our time frame from 5 seconds to 30 days. The next option is for selecting the type of chart, where you can choose from candlestick, mountain, or bar. The 9. Candles. Choose mountain or bar. A new display type has also been added to the chart that you can use for your analyses. Trading tools. Offer indicators and strategies for analysis. Use Fibonacci tools or lines for analysis. Trading signals provide guidance for better trades. In this section, you can use various Fibonacci tools or different lines to draw your analyses. In the next section, there is the trading signals option, where you will be provided with signals for better trading. Note that using these signals does not always mean they are profitable. In the tutorial video related to signals, we will thoroughly review this section, and in the next part, you can have a dual chart view, allowing you to analyze two charts simultaneously and make your trades on them. So, that was a complete explanation regarding the trading platform section of Binomo broker. For more tutorials related to this broker, stay with us.